distance and spaces between us. You have come to show you go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you one true time. I hold you in my life, will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. You're here, there's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on
Tita Lourdes, akala mo nakalimutan ka namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Lourdes. Ang wish ko po ay malusog na pangatawan at bigyan pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Mwah.
Hello, Mami Lu. Happy birthday. God bless you. Wishing you all the best. Long life, good health, happiness, lots of love. At maraming salamat po at nakilala ko po kayo. Pinadala kayo ni Lord sa amin bilang aming nanay ng TLT. God bless you po. I love you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Happy birthday, Tantiaguri ate. Marami pa pong mga kaarawan na puno ng sigla at tuwa na sa Panginoon nakaugat, lakas ng katawan, at saka po patuloy na pamamatnubay ng Panginoon sa iyo pong buong sambahayan, tita. Sorry lang po na hindi niyo ako makakasama sa inyong akusyon dahil nga po pupunta po ako sa Lanciano. First time ko pong makapunta doon eh. Ang mahalaga, lagi pong nasa aking puso ang inyong pagmamahal at pagpapahalaga sa akin at ganoon din ako sa inyo. Tantiaguri ate, I love you po, tita. I love you with the love of the Lord. God bless.
Nanay Lourdes, binabati ko kayo ng happy birthday. Naway biyayaan kayo ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan lagi at naway maging masaya ang birthday na ito ninyo, no? Kasama ang TLT family. Naway patuloy lang ang paglilingkod sa Panginoon ng buong puso at buong pagmamahal sa Diyos na ating may kapal. At lagi kayong mag-ingat. No? Hopefully, kita-kita tayo soon. God bless you. At siksik-liglig ang biyaya ng Panginoon sa inyo. Spiritually at para din sa inyong pamilya. God bless po. Happy birthday.